Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you multiple ways to power off your Samsung phone. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first option, or the easiest option, go ahead and swipe down from the top to bring up the notification tray. Now go ahead and swipe down once more so that you'll be able to see the power options. So go ahead and tap on the power option right here at the very top, and then just tap on power off. You can choose to restart your phone however you want to use it. Now, the second option is that you can go ahead and use your AI assistant. Let's say you have Bixby. Now, if you have it enabled, you can just go ahead and easily say, "Hi, Bixby," to wake up your voice assistant. So as you can see here, I have it disabled and I'm currently using Google Gemini. Now I can go ahead and say, "Could you turn off my phone?" All right, just wait a bit. As you can see here, just to confirm by tapping on power off. Now let's say your screen is lagging or you can't press any menu right here under your phone. So how do we fix that? The easy fix for that is to go ahead and to force restart your phone. Now to go ahead and force restart, here we have the down or volume down button, and then the side button, or sometimes called the power button. Again, volume down and side button, hold it for about 15 seconds until your phone turns black, and then it restarts by itself. Again, hold the volume down and side button simultaneously for about 15 or more seconds until it goes black and restarts by itself. And those are the ways to power off your Samsung phone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.